Hey, if you're coming back to the garage, you must want to know how this cart turned out and who won the $3,000 grand prize. So it's time for the Season 2 finale of Extreme Golf Cart Makeover. Right now, on GCGTV. Hey, welcome to the Extreme Golf Cart Makeover Season 2 finale. We hope you'll stick around for the end of today's episode to see the very last final touches for our 2006 EZGO TXT and find out who won the $3,000 grand prize in our sweepstakes this season. But today, we'll take a look back at some of this season's highlights and a fun design surprise to match our color scheme. Obviously, we had to start by tearing down the cart to prep for all our customizations. We checked our height before lifting and at the end of the project and realized an 11-inch height increase from 66.5 to 77.5 inches. We had a speed of about 13 miles an hour when we brought this cart home, and during our test drive, we set up to get another speed reading. Again, no one called Guinness here or brought over a radar gun, but the same smartphone app that we used in our first test tells us that our work resulted in a 5 mile per hour speed increase, bringing us up to right about 18 miles an hour. We lifted the cart with a 5-inch drop axle lift kit from Mad Jack's and some 23-inch Predator tires on 14-inch GTW Spider wheels. These looked great and made it much easier to get under the cart for other installs. Next, we ran the light harness and installed a Mad Jack's Storm body kit in cherry metallic red finish, which delivered quickly in small boxes and was actually a lot of fun to install. Absolutely a standout among body kits that we've installed. I can't say enough good things about it. We added Mad Jack Tsunami seats next in black with liquid silver and gray on the front and matching cushions on the Genesis 250 rear seat kit we installed. So many great features on these, but chief among them was comfort and innovation in these beautiful American stitched seats. Once that was done, we were able to reinstall our struts and put on a custom extended top sail rooftop from Red Dot. This American-made canvas top is a unique sunshade that was an interesting project to assemble and install and has a great low-profile look. And speaking of American-made, the Red Dot windshield was great quality and made to fit the front cowl of the Storm kit perfectly. After we had the cart mostly rehabbed, we added some final installs in our last episode to include the Storm kit armor brush guard and armor Nerf bars with drop-down steps to complete the exterior. Mad Jack's products like this are tough-coated and really help put the finished look together. And we kept our accent color scheme by installing a carbon fiber floor cover along with matching carbon fiber dashboard assembly and steering wheel to give that custom sleek look to the interior. After we finished the mirrors, the boss had an interesting idea.
Can we make it Buckeyes cart? Oh wait!
Oh! So we played some Hang On Sloopy and ordered some Ohio State Buckeyes Fathead decals to complete the theme with our color scheme. Every GCGTV cart gets a name when it's done, and we've decided to name this one Brutus, after the mascot. The Fathead decal page we chose was stunning, full-color, removable, and reusable vinyl logos and images. We, of course, tested these out on some old material and some other surfaces to ensure that it wouldn't cause damage to our work, if someone else wants to remove them someday, but I think we'll eventually find a Buckeyes fan out there that would be willing to drive it. Hopefully the right fanatic comes along. But this is a great time to mention that if you have a fun creative idea or color scheme in mind and you want some help coordinating that project, we'd love to help with your order. So just reach out and let us know. We placed the Buckeye leaves on the rear cart body as a nod to the player helmet stickers, and then placed some logos and images around the cart, and we think now Brutus is ready to find the right home. We're really happy with the results we got this season, and we're looking forward to sharing even more Extreme Golf Cart Makeover with you. More on that in a moment, but we've got a sweepstakes to get to. Here are the lucky winners taking home Golf Cart Garage store credit this month. Third prizes for July go to Mike P. from Utah, who won $50 for his EZGO TXT, and to James W. from Washington, who won $50 for his Yamaha golf cart. Second prizes this time are going to Shay G from Florida, who won $100 for his EZGO, and to Riley H from Oklahoma, who won $100 for his Club Car Precedent. And first prizes are being awarded to CJ D from Florida, who won $200 for his EZGO, and to Anthony C from Georgia, who won $200 for his EZGO. Cheers to our final monthly winners from all your friends right here in the garage. And now it's time to meet our Season 2 $3,000 grand prize winner to wrap everything up. So check out this video submitted by Ray from Virginia.
Hi, this is Ray Abing, and here we are with my son's Club Car DS. We ordered some parts from Golf Cart Garage simply because we believe that you guys do fantastic upgrades and we see it every time. I see it every time. So my son's autistic, he can't drive, and his dream is to be able to drive this cart, and I would like to give him the opportunity to have a nice ride, at least around the neighborhood. Pick us, pick us, pick us. I would like to take a video out there near the cart, but it's raining here in Chesapeake, Virginia. So I think this will work, and I hope you you hear us and give my son the opportunity for this. Thank you.
Ray and Rudy, welcome to the Golf Cart Garage.
Rudy and I are so super jealous with that red one you have there behind you because it's lifted and big tires and shiny. I think we'll be working some more in the rattle can here.
Well, I have news for you. I don't think the rattle can's really going to be necessary because Ray and Rudy, it is my privilege to announce to you that you are indeed the grand prize winners of Season 2 of Extreme Golf Cart Makeover. So there's a $3,000 grand prize coming your way to make that club car look awesome.
Did you hear that? What did he say?
He won.
Are you serious? Make him repeat that.
Can you repeat it again?
I will absolutely repeat that again. Ray and Rudy Albang are the grand prize Season 2 winners of the Extreme Golf Cart Makeover. You just won $3,000 in our sweepstakes to make over your golf cart. How does that feel?
Good.
Awesome.
High fives are definitely in order. Congratulations from all
Thank
your friends
you.
around here at Golf Cart Garage.
Hey, no, Dave, you guys are super. I thought this was just a conference call, and you guys are putting tears in my eyes for my son here. And I'm man enough to say I'm crying here.
You touched the hearts of everybody here in the garage. You're gonna be taking awesome joyrides in no time, and we can't wait to see it.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. With our fullest gratitude here. Thank you so much.
It is a real pleasure. All the way from Virginia, Ray and Rudy Albang, the winners of the $3,000 grand prize in Season 2 of Extreme Golf Cart Makeover. Thank you both so much for watching GCGTV.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Dave.
Thank you, Rudy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
A big shout out to Ray and Rudy from everybody here in the garage. Here's wishing you both some great father-son time on that club car. We hope you'll join us right here for more Extreme Golf Cart Makeover. Coming soon, we'll have another mini season 2.5 to share all the work we've done in 3 different makeovers on our club car precedent before we move on to other projects. So stay tuned. Just stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 if there's anything we can do to help with your project. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. We'll see you next time on Extreme Golf Cart Makeover. Thanks for watching GCGTV.